Hello and welcome to this second edition winter bill for our heat pump. We had our heat pump fitted in March 2024 and this is the November into December bill. And as I said before, I will be as transparent and candid as I can with the information that I share with you, and I have to be honest with you with this bill and where it went. Yeah, this one is one of those. It runs from the 10th of November until the 9th of December, and it was £349. Wow, £349. But if I look at it, I've analyzed it and I've looked. I'm not going to, analyze both of them, the last year's one, like I did in previous videos, but I'm just going to show you how it's looking at the minute. We used 2,248 kilowatt hours at a rate of 14 pence point 2. So the average rate is quite good, which is what I like to see. But everything else, it does appear steep. And I've looked at it, and which days I use the Octa app, which also shows you your daily usages. Even the Octopus app does show you that, but the Octa shows you currently and how much you are using. And I issues previously, early this month, when I couldn't see what I was using. So but the Octa app shows you straight away what you're using, and I could see I was creeping up. I have since updated my settings on my heat pump, and I will link the heat gig video that goes through the Daikin app and how you can set it up and how you can play with the settings. It's our first year, and I expected this, and now I'm kind of in the sweet spot, I believe. And I also realized I'm in the office, the outside office, and I was using a different heater. I've changed it to an oil-filled heater, which is much better, and it uses less energy. So that was the other change that I brought in December. So we've always had a heater in here. We've had this office for 3 years. So looking at everything, I tend to monitor now everything, and this is not a new heater that we have, but I've just changed it to a more efficient one. So there we are. This is what we used. 349 pounds the bill was. And I've looked at different dates to see, on page 12, if I show you, it looks like we did run at £18.9 a day on that day. And as you can see, it shows when we were using the electricity. I think I charged outside here. This is when, if maybe we are caught, we've got two EVs. If I'm caught in between the chargers, and my wife works outside of the city we live in, and she also uses it now and again. She sometimes works from home and sometimes goes in. So and I also travel to Leicester and Uppingham for different activities. So I'm caught in between. So sometimes I do charge outside of our chip window. So this is what we see when the red marker is going, it's up. That's the peak period. And as you can see here, we were charging, and I used 102 kilowatt hours on that day. So I can explain it, I can see it. On the following day, if I look at this one, we used 90 and it was 11 pounds. So again, we did have a bit of free energy here. So this is where Octopus do give us free energy. This is where it is there. I plugged the car and they charged it themselves, so it was probably in the green period for them. Then the other day is the 14th, page 14 as well, which I'll show you now. Again, you can see outside of these are the times, outside of the off-peak hours, we we were charging again. So yes, I can see a few people, pointing out that heat pumps are not the savior of the world and all that. I'm not too sure that's true, because I'll show you last year's bill in a minute. But I can explain my usage in terms of I was charging outside of my permitted window. And also on the 29th, page 29th, there, I also, again, there's a bit of charging. These are 30-minute windows, by the way. So there's a good 2 hours of charging that I did, and we used 90 there. It cost us £14. So all in all, the November to December bill was £349. Then I will show you last year's bill without a heat pump. So this is the winter again, winter time period of the bill. You clearly see that in itself, there is the bill there. So November 23 to 9 December 23, electricity was £243.87 and gas was £96. All in all, it became 340. So there we are, 340. Yes, I can see what I'm doing and what I'm using. The heat pump itself, I don't think it's costing us any more than the boiler or the gas would have. So at the meantime, if I budget £300 in the winter months, which is the 4 months, November, December, January, February, those months, and you multiply by 300, that's 1.2. Then the other months, I'm expecting to be paying £150, a month, times the 8 months, 150 times 8 months, that's 1,200 plus the 1,200 for the winter. I'm looking at 2.4 a year. If you divide it by 12, I'm looking at around £200 a month. So the heat pump is not really costing us that much, if you take into consideration that we are running 2 EVs and we are doing close to, I've just looked at the other lease car that we returned before we got the Tesla. We were over. We're doing more than 15,000 each car. So we're doing 30,000 miles a year on top. So with the electricity. So I am content on that. And yes, it was a bite your moment when we saw it. Anyways, I was seeing it. But the Octa Aid this month, the Octa Aid, I'll show you now what it's showing us. So the Octa Aid app is this one. You open it, and this is what we did yesterday. So it clearly shows you what you are using, and live, I just click on that and it will tell us, we are washing up at the minute. I've used 9.75 today, plus the standing charge, which is about 46 pence, I believe. So yes, we are using a lot. But if you consider that we don't have diesel expenditure on there, then it puts everything into perspective, on where we are and where we're sitting. So this is the Octane app, and on there, if I do that, currently today is the 2nd of January. I only have another 7 days to go, and we are at £223 currently. So I'm looking at around 270 this winter. I know this weekend is going to be cold, so let's bear that in mind. We might use more, but I'm looking at around 270 to 280 this month. So yes, I've budgeted, I say 300 per winter month, so we can, it's playing around with where you use more. And even with £300, that is including our diesel fees and our petrol, I am content on how the heat pump is going. So that's our bill, that's our harsh reality this time around on where we are with the heat pump. but I don't expect it to be that high going forward because I've adjusted our the settings on the heat pump. So I'm not expecting it to be that high. So yeah, do comment. I know people will be commenting saying that is expensive, this and that. But as I said, I am content and I'm candid with you on where we are and how we're doing. If you are hoping to jump into it, do expect your winter bills to be slightly higher than the summer bills. In the summer, some of the months were £150, including the two cars, the charging of the two EVs, because again during the summer the charging is less for EVs. You can, it stays, we can charge about twice a week depending on how we're using them. So definitely it's something to consider, and be mindful of winter fees. Thank you for watching. Do like and comment, and do put your 2 pence on there, but don't try to convince me otherwise, because as I said, I did my research, and this video is for others that are want to know more and anything about the heat pumps. Do comment, do ask any questions. I'll try my best to answer as much as I can. Happy 2025 to everyone, and thank you for supporting me. I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.